Hi, I'm Tandeep Sangra, founder of Innovates AI and Sales Ops 360. Welcome to episode 2 of AI for Founders, the Fix series. Today I'm showing you something most teams still don't use correctly, AI as your personal research team. Not the usual, ask a question, get an answer kind of thing, but I'm actually talking about a system where AI analyzes your market, identifies patterns, profiles the buyers, breaks down the competitor gaps, and highlights opportunities before your team even sees them. Let me show you how founders use this in real life. So first is your market intelligence in just 5 minutes instead of 5 days. Say you are building a SaaS for service-based businesses. Instead of manually researching, you can ask AI, show me top 5 buying triggers for service businesses adapting new CRM tools in India. AI doesn't just answer, it pulls patterns from multiple sources, user behavior, competitor positioning, and recent trends. Now you instantly know what actually makes people buy, not what you think they will buy. Next is your competitor gaps you would never notice, right? So founders usually compare the features. So just listen to this carefully because it's very important, but the AI compares frictions. Example, you can ask AI analyze 5 competitors and highlight what they promise and that they are failing to deliver to their clients. So AI will definitely identify slow onboarding and maybe weak integrations, poor support, confusing pricing models, and missing AI workflows. Now you are not guessing your differentiator, you are building around validating gaps. Next is your AI buyer profiles that are shockingly accurate. Traditional personas are fluff. Not exactly, but still it is a very long and lengthy process when you are working on identifying the personas. So here AI gives behavior driven personas to you. For example, show me why mid-sized businesses or owners delay CRM adoption. So in this case, your AI will reveal some psychological barriers. Example, maybe fear of data migration, low internal skill, and previous bad experiences, unclear ROI, or maybe change resistance. Now you know what to address in your pitch, ads, emails, and onboarding. Then is your turning research into actionable content. Once AI identifies the gaps, triggers, and buyer fears, you can immediately ask, create 10 content ideas based on these insights, or maybe draft a landing page using these triggers. So your content pipeline is now research backed, not guessed backed. Last but not the least, why this matters for founders. Founders who use AI this way build faster, sell smarter, position better, and always avoid months of wrong assumptions. But the founders who don't, they just keep creating content and features no one really asked for. So if you want me to set up this AI research workflow for your business, DM me Research Fix, or you can also drop a comment as well. And for more information, do visit sheinnovatesai.com or SalesOps360. And stay tuned for episode 3, in which I'll show you how to make AI build your entire content strategy based on buyer intent, not the keywords. Stay tuned because this is where things get powerful. See ya.